Hi boys and girls. For today, I'm going to model how to solve this elapsed time problem. Now, I'm going to use the mountains, hills, and rock strategy. If there's something that works better for you, that's fine with me, but I'm going to go ahead and focus on this one. Now, it's going to be a little bit easier for you, hopefully, since you're going to be able to use Pear Deck. I can't use that on here, so I'm going to be drawing lines and using these shapes. So I'm going to start by drawing my line, just like I did when we were learning about rounding. I'm going to have my start of the time and I'm going to have my ending time. That way I know exactly how much time I'm trying to find in between. I'm then going to write in the time that I started, and it says here, Sam leaves to play chess at 11:15 and returns at 12:40. I need to find out how much time is in between 11:15 and 12:40. So I'm going to write 11:15 here, and then I'm going to write over on this side 12:40. So I'm trying to figure out how much time is in between 11:15 and 12:40. This is where I'm going to use the mountains, hills, and rocks. Now, here I'm going to start with, for me, using my minutes first, trying to get to 11:40 so I can count 1 full hour to 12:40. Now, that's not the only way that I could do that. I could do a full hour and then figure out the minutes and using the rocks and the hills. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and start with the smaller numbers. So I'm going to use the rocks here, and I'm going to start with 11:15, and then I'm going to go 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And so here, I have just used 5 minutes. So this is, I'm going to write at the top 5 minutes, and I'm going to write down here the new time, which is now 11:20. And I'm now going to count using the hills because now I'm at 20, and it's going to be easier for me to skip count by tens to get to 40. So I'm going to say, all right, 11:20, 10 more minutes is going to be 11:30, and then 10 more after that would be 11:40. So I have made 20 more minutes here. So I'm going to write that at the top. I have 20 minutes here. I want to make sure I write minutes because I want to make sure I don't get confused and write hours. So now my new time is 11:40. Here I was skip counting by ones, right, which made me at 5 minutes. Here I'm skip counting by tens, which got me to 20 minutes. Now that I'm 11:40, I need to just go one more hour, 11:40 to 12:40, because the hours changed, but the minutes have stayed the same. That means it's one more hour. So I'm going to use the mountains now. On yours, again, it'll be easier for you to show the difference here and to make these maybe a little bit bigger to fill in the number line. But it's okay if it doesn't fit exactly on here. Okay? But I can see this is 11:40 to 12:40. I know that's 1 hour, so I'm going to write over here that this was 1 hour. Now I need to add this up. I'm going to make sure I write my hour first. Just like if you were writing time, you have the hour and then the minutes. So this is 1 full hour. I don't see any other hours. This is 20 minutes and 5 minutes. I know 20 minutes plus 5 minutes is 25 minutes. So this is going to be 1 hour and 25 minutes total for how long Sam leaves to play chess. This is a strategy I used. I know it makes sense because I can see on here each individual thing. I've written the time here. I can see the next time based on my skip counting. I wrote the next time and wrote how much time has elapsed, and then the next time. Okay? What strategy will you use? How do you know that your answer is correct? I look forward to seeing your answers.